Hi, my name is Dennis. I'm a principal broker at Orca Mortgages. I have been a broker for 8 years, and what I decided to do was take Sutra's Commercial Mastery mortgage brokering course. I've realized that in the last 3 or 4 years that the changes have been so intense, and the changes have been to the point where it's been very, very difficult to get deals done. In taking Sue's commercial course, he was able to show me many different ways to, let's just say, skin a mortgage cat. So it really opened up my eyes. It made me realize that there's so much more to doing business in the mortgage channel, and having to do it outside the mortgage channel is actually the way to actually succeed in this business. And for that, I'm very thankful that Sue was able to put this course together. In the last 2 days, it's been intense. I have not been able to sleep because I could think of many different ways to do a mortgage using Sue's lenders and process and strategies to actually finance a property. So for Sue, I thank him immensely. I'm very grateful that he's done this for me, and I hope to succeed and be as successful in this business as Sue has. Thank you very much, Sue. And in the last 2 days, I've learned so much. I truly recommend that to take this course, whether you are a seasoned broker or you're just beginning. This will open up your eyes and open up new opportunities. Thank you, Sue.